Hello students of class 5. Today we are going to revise the chapter Great Voyages of Discovery. Before going on to the discussion of the chapter, a quick reminder of the syllabus. You have the Great Voyages of Discovery, the English East India Company, the British conquest of India, and our heritage. Now, today we are going to focus on this chapter, Great Voyages of Discovery. Now, in the very first, in the beginning of the chapter, deals with the reasons behind the Great Voyages of Discovery. What were the reasons? By now, you already know it. It was that there were several reasons why the Europeans wanted a direct trade route between Europe and Asia. First reason was that there were certain goods like silk, textiles, spices, indigo, and tea, coffee, sugar. All these were in great, which were produced in India. They were in great demand in Europe. But when these goods reached Europe, they became very expensive. Why? Because they passed through several hands. So when the Europeans found these goods very expensive, they thought that if they could directly buy it from Asia, then it would be much cheaper for them. So that is the reason why they wanted to find out a new trade route between Europe and Asia. Number 2, the next reason is the rise of Ottoman Empire, which closed all overland trade routes between Europe and Asia. When this thing happened, what the European rulers did was they helped merchants with men and money, so that and also with ships, men and money, so that they could go on long voyages and they could discover new routes. This was the second reason. And the third reason was several travelers, European travelers, had visited Asian countries. And one of them was Marco Polo. He visited China, Japan, countries like China, Japan, and other countries of Asia also. So when these travelers came, they were at once attracted by the wealth of these countries. And when they went back, they gave a rich account of these countries, which which at once tempted the Europeans to have a direct trade link with Asia. Not only this, from the 12th century onwards, ships were much stronger. The Europeans started building bigger and better ships. Then use of maps. Okay. Another thing was that from the Arabs, they learned the use of compass. And compass, as you already know, it shows the direction. So it would be a great help for the sailors at sea. Another great discovery or invention was that of the Astrolab. Now, Astrolab is an instrument which is also used by sailors at sea. Now, what is the difference between compass and the astrolabe? The compass tells us the direction of the sea, and the astrolabe tells us the position at the sea, both of which were very important. So all these the inventions of the astrolabe, then the use of compass, then bigger and better ships, maps, all these together helped the explorers to make successful voyages, to go on to undertake long voyages. Now, among the many explorers, some well-known explorers about whom we read in this chapter are Henry the Navigator, Bartholomew Diaz, then you have Christopher Columbus, Vasco da Gama, and Ferdinand Magellan. Now, their aim were all same. They wanted to find out a direct trade route between Europe and Asia. Only thing was that their approach were different. That is, their routes were different. Not that all of them, each of them took a different route. Like Henry the Navigator and Bartholomew Diaz both traveled in the same direction, but Christopher Columbus took an entirely different direction. Again, Vasco da Gama took the same direction as Henry the Navigator and Bartholomew Diaz. And Ferdinand Magellan again followed the direction of Christopher Columbus. So in this way, they followed different routes, and each of their voyages had an important result. And not only important result, it also helped to expand trade. So about these explorers we will do it in the next class, and we will also see what were the impact what were the results of these great voyages of discovery made by these explorers. So thank you, students. We will do the rest of the chapter in the next class. Thank you.